This message is for all gamers and workaholics out there. It's time to level up your comfort. There's also a couple of useful gadgets for mobile content creators. Don't miss that. Read on a paper-like screen when you have the Onyx Books Tab Ultra ePaper tablet. Crafted with a 10.3 inches display that boasts crystal clarity, it also delivers super refresh technology. Operating on Android 11, it has a powerful system that lets you get things done. Moreover, with a 16MP rear camera, it provides accurate document scanning when you need it. Easily navigate using gestures and buttons, and you can use the magnetic stylus and keyboard as well. Its compact design has straight corners and thin bezels, and its phantom black color blends in with any aesthetic setup. Furthermore, it has an anti-fingerprint coating on the back case, which helps keep it clean. Measuring just 6.7 millimeters thin, it has a full laminated display that makes it feel like you're looking at real paper. Stay powered up anywhere in the world with the Nimble wireless charging travel kit. Including a wireless pad and dual USB charger, this travel charging kit has all your smartphone's needs covered. In fact, this travel charger can actually power up to 3 devices at one time. You can place one device on the wireless charging pad and plug another 2 gadgets into the USB charger. Compatible with newer iPhones and Android phones along with second-generation AirPods, it's also environmentally friendly. So while it's keeping your essential devices full of battery, you don't have to feel guilty about what it's made from. Nimble uses sustainable fabric made from recycled water bottles and hemp. Plus, there's built-in cable management to keep all your cords nice and tidy on the go. Achieve professional footage when you have the DJI RS3 camera stabilizer. It has dual-layered quick-release plates, enabling you to mount your camera quickly and easily. Best of all, you won't need to rebalance the gimbal after swapping out a new battery or memory card. Moreover, this camera stabilizer includes a newly added fine-tuning knob on the tilt axis. This allows your camera to slide forward or backward with millimeter-grade precision. Furthermore, the DJI RS3 lets you get up and running quickly. Simply press and hold the power button, and the axes automatically lock and enter sleep mode. This makes transportation and travel more efficient. Meanwhile, this photography gadget supports wireless shutter control, saving time and effort with every use. Finally, weighing only 2.8 pounds, it's easy to hold, and it has a 6.6 pound load capacity to support mainstream cameras. Wear the Sony LinkBuds S high-res wireless earbuds while you exercise or run errands thanks to their secure fit. Weighing only 4.8 grams, they're lightweight and built with comfort in mind, so you never have to endure ear pain. Moreover, these wireless earbuds leverage sensor and spatial sound technology to create an immersive listening experience. This allows you to stream content and listen to music all day long. Furthermore, the Sony LinkBuds S feature a 5mm driver unit to pack a punch and deliver powerful bass and crystal clear vocals. Plus, Sony's integrated processor V1 enhances noise canceling, reduces distortion, and improves sound quality for distraction-free listening. Above all, with voice pickup technology, they ensure your music will pause when you begin speaking. Therefore, you won't have to reach for your phone to pause the music when ordering a coffee, for example. Create more space on your desk with the SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini Wireless Compact Keyboard. It features a 60% compact size with all the features of a full-size keyboard with its side-printed secondary functions. Moreover, this compact keyboard sports lag-free connectivity options via Bluetooth 5.0, wired, or 2.4 GHz, so you can work or play games without any restrictions. Furthermore, you can personalize this SteelSeries Apex keyboard to suit your needs. In fact, it offers sensitivity customization for every key from a speed 0.2 mm to an impactful 3.8 mm. This keyboard also allows you to program 2 different actions to the same key for powerful gaming shortcuts. Finally, enjoy 2-in-1 action keybinds, per key RGB illumination, and custom actuation points, which are all programmable through an easy-to-use software. Give your work setup a redesign and go for the AirZero Origami-inspired mouse. Offering a redesigned form factor for on-the-go use, it has a truly portable design for mobile working and living. With this gadget, you avoid an unsightly bulge protruding from your pockets or bags. It has an origami design concept that transforms a flat material into a robust 3D-shaped object, and then back to its flat state again. A totally new iteration of a traditional computer mouse, it enhances your productivity and enjoyment in various situations. In fact, it provides a slim, portable, sturdy solution and ergonomically fits in your hand. Furthermore, super slim at only 4.5 millimeters and lightweight at 40 grams, it simply folds together and magnetically snaps into action. Finally, it connects with any Bluetooth-enabled computer or device via Bluetooth 5.2 with minimal latency, and without the need for a dongle. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.